winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the south overnight. Friday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs around 80. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny. A 30% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A 40% chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Monday, sunny.
National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specifically built weather radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the forecast for the Twin